Hello and welcome to my Premium Bonds and Hargreaves Lansdown Stocks and Shares ISA portfolio update for May. In this video we'll be looking back at how my portfolio has performed over the last month, and at the end of the video we'll see if I won anything in May's Premium Bond draw. I'm sorry this video has taken a little while to make. I'm just moving house and it's been non-stop chaos now for the last month or so. I'm so looking forward to a holiday. Before we dive into my portfolio though, we'll take a quick look at what global market events shaped my portfolio over April. The US banking sector was still feeling shaky, and the latest victim of this was First Republic. Although it has since been acquired by JP Morgan, it has still spooked the markets. With so many banks failing of late, it shows that systems really need to be put into place to prevent this happening again in the future, and clearly lessons have not been learnt. This still has the potential to knock on to larger financial institutions as well. Where banks face stricter regulation, in the UK for example, we saw a fairly strong month in the financial sector, as they showed signs of recovery. UK inflation also fell, which helped boost optimism within other sectors. The true benchmark of inflation though, Freddos, are still well expensive, with many analysts predicting that by 2030 a single Freddo will be worth more than the shops they sit in. One reaction to the banking crisis though has been the comeback of crypto, with Bitcoin up over 50% in the last 6 months, with many analysts predicting the surge isn't over yet, and short-term forecasts are suggesting a £25,000 target price. Emerging markets struggled in April, with the US and China relations getting more tense by the day. Poland though is seeing an economic boom of late, which has led to a lot of my Polish friends to actually leave the UK and to go back home where they can earn more. Funny enough, I've not seen this reported much by the gammon rags. So onto my portfolio. I'll start with income, which for April was feeble, just 38p in loyalty bonus and no dividends. I've had a very slow start to the year with dividends, but I think I have 3 dividend payments due in June, which should see my monthly averages go through the ceiling. Those dividends will be automatically reinvested as well, so they can continue to snowball, and if you've not seen my latest video, then check it out, as there's some big news in there for dividends and regular investors. Looking at my portfolio on the whole, it looks awful if you just look at the total return, but realistically it's only been pulled down now by 2 holdings. One of which is my JP Morgan Emerging Markets Fund, which the US and China are kicking while it's already down. Unfortunately I can't see this recovering anytime soon, and I'll just take it as a life lesson. The second is LGen, which has struggled with various factors of late, but it's still looking very robust and, to be honest, very cheap. Unfortunately I think recovery may be slow here as well, as I can't see global markets surging anytime soon. Regular viewers may have noticed that the Fidelity Index World holding has gone. I finally chopped it in. I've not reinvested the proceeds yet. I haven't quite made my mind up, but I want to carry on diversifying my portfolio, and I'm looking at a long-term holding. I have a few banking firms I'm keeping an eye on, but also some real estate investment trusts, as well as a few others. I'll just run through my remaining holdings briefly now. Sorry this video hasn't been as in-depth as normal. I'm a bit time poor with the move, but my lack of internet at the new place means I have more time for editing and less cat video distractions, so I should have some new content up very shortly. My premium bonds have seen some pretty poor returns over the last few months. Even when I held the full £50,000 worth, I still couldn't beat the best instant access savings accounts in terms of returns. Since I've been buying down my holdings, the returns have been fewer and far between, so let's see if May was any better. And nope. Looks like I won't be going on holiday just yet. That's it for today. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for future content. Stay safe out there. Peace.